H&R Racing, H&R Racing, H&R Racing! Yeah!
That was a
erratic and somewhat
bizarre
and unnecessary intro to our show, but welcome nonetheless. Welcome back to the H&R Racing Show, and I'm your host, Richard. This is my co-pilot and personal friend, Harry.
Thanks. Thanks, I'm happy to be here.
I'll let you in on a secret, he's also my brother too.
Could be, but
we could be somewhat related.
Could be, a little bit. But anyway,
a little bit.
No need to dwindle on that.
That's the past. Now to the future.
So, we're talking about
what's coming up in the episode.
Yes, on this exciting episode of the H&R Racing Show. What are we doing?
What a mouthful.
It's like a tongue twister.
Yeah. So, on this episode is all about chase drone, or follow drone, versus F-18 fighter jet. And can he get him in
Can we actually
shot
keep up with
and
it?
keep up?
Yes, can we keep up?
I feel that would be quite
an achievement.
An achievement and two, a struggle.
Yes.
And also pushing everything to the limit.
So the F-18 for instance.
But the F-18 will be not at its limit, it will be like half throttle, because anything less than half throttle it gets an airspeed stall.
Yes.
And what are the other complications with the F-18?
Slight complications include doesn't have a gyro in it. It's all manual, baby.
It's all manual.
All manual.
It reacts to wind.
And
sometimes quite erratic when it flies.
It's also quite a small, streamlined aircraft.
But it's very. I think it's very, very cool.
I think so. Comment below. If we could solve it, maybe for another episode down the track, maybe like a
suggestion of what part we could get, or just send us the part that is a plug and play, the chip that just goes, those plug strands of receiver, and then maybe like stabilizes the aircraft.
Yeah, we could get like some lower passes.
Right, because at the moment you have to keep relatively high just in case it does like any dips or.
You'd definitely be have the vomit bag out if it was a real aircraft.
Oh, you'd be in a certain amount of cheese. I've done a thing where you've been inverted, and then just because I had to just pull up like that straight into it.
Yeah.
Or down, coming towards an aircraft. They did that inverted S turn straight into it. Pull out.
That's what you got to do sometimes. Just like in real life. But anyway.
Done that quite a lot actually. We've flown that plane quite a bit, and in really wild and windy weather.
And the drone that we'll be using to chase it, the follow drone, will be our schizo frame that we've used many times, but we're going to upgrade it a bit and push it to its limit as fast as it can go. Fast as it can go to hopefully, fingers crossed, it keeps up and we get the footage.
Yeah.
So you'll find out on this episode what happens.
As always, like, subscribe, stay tuned, and then watch all the way to the end, comment.
And like, subscribe.
Yeah, I've already covered that. And then tune in for next week on, we normally do this about, Tuesdays? They normally come up around 6 AM, normally when we sort of post them.
New Zealand
big long one. Lots and lots of shorts, you can always tune in for that.
Yeah,
if you're more than welcome to look at those.
Sure, no worries. So, we like making it. So, on this episode, we'll kick this off in 3, 2, 1, and go! Yeah!
Basically, it's this.
This character.
This guy. I mean, it might be a whole episode just on this.
I don't know.
Basically, it's this
versus this. So follow drone versus.
So fighter jet versus drone.
There you go, or follow drone. Okay.
So I mean, that's actually just thinking about it now.
Does
sound pretty good.
Okay, so we'll take off this way, and then I'll do circuits that way.
So you're gonna fly Harry's gonna fly the fighter jet.
That's me.
And then I'm gonna follow the pace.
Yeah. So
keep up the pace. I mean, we don't even know if it will be able to keep up. So these are all things we're gonna find out together.
Yes.
Acro mode.
Acro mode.
Okay, you're good.
I'll fix it.
Okay.
Yeah, I've got you.
Okay, turning on VTX. You want to check all that?
Yeah, it's coming up on my watch. Check.
Okay, you got GPS lock.
Do you remember what band we're on?
He's, by the way, he's searching through the channels to find the right one. Otherwise, he's just a crazy person pressing buttons on the side of the head.
Really? I think it's pretty good. That's band IRC7.
GoPro's not going.
What?
We just worked out the GoPro session that we used for the chase drone.
Chase drone is blank.
So we're charging it up.
All good.
Tell me when you're ready.
Pretty much.
Hey, going. Going. Yep, I'm in the air. Okay, going down the strip. Keep talking so I can see where you are. Okay, go down the strip.
Man, you are hard to keep up with, man.
Okay, go down the other way.
I'm coming down the runway.
Okay, so I'm going to make my approach down the runway now.
I can't see you. Oh yeah, I see you now.
Okay, yeah, okay, going around again.
Can't see you at all.
Going around again at the end of the runway.
Which anyway?
Yeah, so I'm right behind you.
You're behind me?
Yeah.
So I'm turning around.
So I'm going down the runway now.
Oh, I see you.
Okay, now turning left now.
Okay, I don't see you.
Yeah, okay, I'm all good. I'm going down the runway. Oh, going down.
Oh, I see you now.
Okay, going towards us. Heading towards us.
3 minutes on my clock.
Okay.
Where are you?
Okay, going down the runway. Going down the other runway.
RTL.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Around 2. The battery died in my
Quad.
quad, and then it RTL.
The drone is another name for quad.
And it RTL'd on me halfway through the flight. That's okay.
No, quad, not like a green motorbike quad, not that quad. Okay. Okay, going around. Oh, really? Well, what about safe and sound?
Yeah, we did.
What do you think? Why do you think it did an RTL like that?
Well, because I'm pushing it and then the voltage sank.
Oh, okay, so we need to...
It's that compensation. I think we actually got some good shots. I would say it's a success.
We might need to just take it back onto the computer and do some tap-taps.
Or maybe just add a bit
Tap.
more of a delay.
Yeah.
It's probably because I was punching at heaps, right?
Yeah.
And then not backing off.
Well, you max punch.
Yeah. That's okay. It's just it's just a learning curve because we
never tried to track something so quick.
But I think we did get. I do think we got the shots. Obviously, we're going to review it. Pretty much each time you manage to go up in the air regardless of the conditions, and it's all good. That's a success.
Yes.
And you get it down safely. Oh, that's great.
Yes, I'd agree with that. But most importantly, having fun. So,
and make sure you have fun too.
Okay, so we're back at the field and done some modifications. So hopefully that works. So then we don't get in an RTL too early.
Yeah, you probably still need to pulse it.
Yeah, I try not to keep it.
You just have to sort of like time it and go for like one sequence, and then ease it off, and then let me come around.
Okay.
Yeah, oh, by the way, I'm going to be the pilot of the F-18 this time around.
Yes.
Start her up, ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Don't worry about me.
Okay, going. Okay, we're up.
Just tell me where you're going, would you?
Behind, go down the runway.
Oh, that's it. You all good?
Now going down.
Yeah, I can see him.
So you stand it turn.
Yeah, watching him. No, I lost him for a second. Oh, yeah, that's him.
Going down towards us.
Okay, on target, I can see you. Yeah, it said 2 minutes before. Yeah, don't worry about me. I'm okay. You're quite high up, so.
2 minutes.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay, I'm gonna try and land it now.
Yeah, it's all good. I'm in frame. Oh, I lost you for a second. Where are you now? Oh, yeah, I can see you. Yeah, good, yeah.
Starting my throttle down. Starting my speed. Completely up. See that?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, good, they're done.
Welcome to OpenTX. Acro mode.
Acro mode. All good to go, Jay?
Yeah.
Engines armed.
Yeah, I'm launching.
Okay, there we go.
Where are you, Jay?
Back of the runway, like. You know when they.
Yeah, I see where you are.
4 minutes.
Okay, going around. Which way are you going now?
I'm going down the field now.
See on left, yeah. Following you.
Okay, going around again.
Okay, coming down with you.
You all good, Jay? Yeah.
You can see where I am, Jay?
Okay, I'm chasing it out, Jay. Okay, turn around. Oh, I didn't flick the switch, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should have rained a minute, isn't it? Okay.
3 minutes.
Okay. Going around again.
Where are you?
Oh, turn left there.
Is that you on the far end?
I'm turning.
Okay.
I'm going to come down.
Okay, I think we're going to start the landing sequence soon, guys. So Harry's going to land shortly on...
Oh, it's no, Jay's going to land. He's ready.
Oh, yeah.
Who's landing?
Okay, Jay.
I'll land.
Okay.
I'll land.
Okay, going down the runway.
Yeah, I can see you here.
Okay, going around again. 2 minutes, okay.
I can see Liz and Harry.
Okay, starting my cycle.
You all good, Liz?
Okay, we're on the runway. Yeah, we landed.
I'll go around one more time. Okay. Oh, it's actually quite low, isn't it? Yeah.
I'm gonna leave it
2
on the
minutes.
side of the runway.
Were you? Okay, landing.
We landed in a minute, it's got to just be rain, it's usually here. I just want to get
Hey, coming around. Easy off on throttle. Oh, hang on, where am
Who's
I?
landing now? I won't land in a minute.
Yay!
Brilliant!
I didn't catch it.
Who's left? There you go, don't drink the bubble.
Okay, I'm coming in.
Gotta hurry.
Okay, I'm coming in. Okay, I'm pretty much down, don't worry about me.
Yeah, you're good, Richard. You're a meter,
Here it comes.
half a meter.
Come off.
Okay guys, I'm going to land.
Okay, good.
It's all a part of the fun. It's a water plane, it'll be all good.
Disconnected, Richard.
Yeah, all good. I'll disconnect here.
Telemetry lost.
Okay, Liz is coming in.
Go, Liz.
Go, Liz.
Hey, thanks for watching. Into this end of this episode. It was great. Thank you.
Thanks for sticking with us. So,
Hopefully you liked it. We did. We liked filming it, and yeah. So here are the aircraft. There we go. Oh, that way around first. Yeah. So here they are. So this is the chase drone, And that is the F-18 fighter jet.
Yes, so there we go. She sure goes quick, doesn't she, Richard?
She does. So, I managed to... I don't think we quite got fast enough because this guy, he seems to be not quite fast enough for that guy at half throttle.
So maybe we could revisit it or something? Maybe we do like a new...
Maybe, well, I think we'd have to...
frame, I think, with new...
I think we have to rebuild this. But well, not this one, I'll just make a new one. That can handle that kind of speed and torque.
And ESC heat.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's been an interesting one.
What's cool though?
Yeah, definitely cool.
And any thoughts about the F-18?
F-18?
I think we got some really good shots, really good entry shots and flying behind it.
Yep.
And then just flying in general is really, really good.
Yeah, it's just amazing if we managed to land it, to be honest.
And fly.
And fly it in the air.
You're going to be able to fly.
That's the main thing.
So if you've got any suggestions of what maybe stabilizer or ideas or improvements that we could make, or maybe even to the chase run itself, maybe we could either improve that one,
make a new frame,
or build from scratch. Any suggestions?
I guess that
would be well appreciated.
I guess the ones that did do a follow drone was the
Red Bull.
A little while ago was the Red Bull and is it the Dutch drones guys?
Yeah, the Dutch.
The Dutch guys.
The Dutch.
And they were chasing the Formula 1, so yeah, I mean, if they could do it, we could do it. We're New Zealanders, so Kiwi ingenuity. There we go.
But we have a flightless bird that can't look after itself.
Which one? Oh, the Kiwi you're talking about. Yes, yes. That is the New Zealand icon, a flightless bird. Yes.
Kind of somewhat.
But we did have a mower, a bigger one, slightly bigger.
So it's like a bigger Kiwi.
That was the Mark 1. But
so you could probably ride that guy.
But yeah, that would be an interesting guy to ride. Or fly, if you put bigger wings on him. He's a big enough bird. He was a giant Kiwi, basically.
It wasn't a lawnmower, by the way.
He's not around anymore. Yeah, he didn't make it.
He didn't make it. But he's extinct. But, he might have been.
It still exists in the museums. Well, it's skeletons.
Oops.
Anyway, got a bit dark there for a minute, but anyway, don't worry, we just came back to the light. So, it was a great episode that we like making, so thanks for watching to the end, and we'll see you next week for the exciting installment of the
next version
of the H&R Drone Racing Show. Yes.
Any other thoughts?
Like, subscribe, and see us next week.
And if you want any aerial photography,
yes.
And you want to, if you'd like us to build any UAV or drone for you,
yes.
You just check us out on our Facebook page.
Yes. Rightio. So, without further ado, we'll see each other next week. In 3, 2, 1, go! H&R Drone Racing, H&R Drone Racing, H&R Drone Racing. Yeah!